Before drugs and treatments are approved, a panel of advisors meet to hear the science, ask questions, and vote whether or not to recommend an approval. The advisors must disclose any possible conflicts of interest. Obviously, this is meant to keep the regulators on the side of the people. But here's the problem. It's well known and widespread that panel members will receive future payments and gifts from the companies they are reviewing or from their major competitors. In fact, a study done by Science found that the 107 physician advisors they looked into, 40 of them had received post hoc earnings or research support to the tune of at least $10,000, 26 of which received more than $100,000, and 6 who received more than $1 million. The report concludes, quote, of the more than 24 million in personal payments or research support from the industry to the 16 top earning advisors who received more than $300,000 each, 93% came from the makers of drugs those advisors previously reviewed or from competitors, unquote.
Wow.
So yeah, maybe these advisors didn't have conflicts of interest before their vote, but knowing the drug companies might make it rain after their vote sure can be persuasive. So in recap, we have a regulatory body that's funded by the very companies they are supposed to be regulating, with about a third of the regulators and advisors either moving on to cushy big pharma careers or receiving lucrative payouts after approving the drugs or halting the drugs of competitors based on data from expensive clinical trials funded by the pharmaceutical companies that test their treatments against literally nothing.